Button start recording. Okay, yeah, here I am on literally one of the worst coughing fits of my stinking life. I'm on my face cam. And I'll be right back. Oh, there it goes. Hey, okay, that should be better. That should be good. That right there. But this is my first time ever using my webcam. Okay, baseball star. Yeah, you're going. Stop coughing. I'm overreacting. I'm overreacting a little bit. My sister. That hurt actually. Ow. Ow. Okay. Come on. Come on. That's why. Oh, holy frick, it is so laggy. I don't know. What the heck was that? My team in slow motion. Oh my gosh, can I even record with my face cam out? Like, I mean, the lag's subsiding a bit. Nope, the lag's not subsiding a bit. Let me get into it. Maybe it's the size of it, or maybe it's just that I have it on. Let me change the size. Wait, is that minimum? No, don't. Stop. Oh my gosh. Shoot. Okay, stop. Let's get into a game before we don't have enough time to play a game in this video. Stop. Yes, here we are, rolling again. Fine, come on, cough. Okay, oh frick, it's so laggy. Gotta take my face cam. Sorry, YouTube, I have to take my face cam away. Okay, I deleted, like, frick this game. Frick this. Thank you. Like, what? Like, I can't. Maybe I can play a different game like that. No. That got me distracted on my own self-batting. My own self's up to bat here. Oh. Get on, Ray. Stop trying to pick them off. Stop trying to. Come on. Okay. Count loaded. Ball boy. Okay. Enough coughing. Okay, Seth. Good job. No, bad job. I wanted to show my face cam, like, so badly in this video. But it's not letting me, since I already done a face reveal. I still don't want to show my face that much. That face reveal, that a few months ago. Okay, base is loaded. Come on, COuGh, I know you can do this. You can do it. Okay, good enough. Probably gonna get 3 points. If this guy makes it. I have a feeling he's not. Yep. Brian, my 4th star, I forgot his name. And I think Seth. Sorry if you get annoyed by my coughing. Come on. Khalil, what the frick was that? But that was only the first inning. It took like 3... Frick, stop. That was only like the 3 minutes, and it was only the first inning. The top of the first. Come on, Manuel. Man, you freaking hell. You ruined that grand slam in my last baseball star video. I got a grand slam. Oh my gosh. I got a grand slam, or 2 actually since then. See if I can get one in this video. Yeah, Boach. I'm still recovering from the flu that I had. Bang. Oh my gosh. I don't see how they can catch those. Holy crap, they're offering $200 for a product down there. Just to get sweet water. I just put sugar in water and call it sweet water. Ah. You're gonna stay, you're gonna make it. Yay. Oh, it's Seth. Seth is like Brian. Seth is like the smartest on the team. Brian, go Seth. Look how fast he is. Come on, Clark. Hit Seth home. Yes. Stop. Oh. Yeah, that. Yay, we did it. I really wanted to have my face cam on in this video, but it seems like Mobizen didn't want me to. I always wondered what happens when you hit a ball foul. Like right behind, like the right direction behind COuGh. Foul. Like into the stands. COuGh, the dumbest powerful player in my team. Oh, frick you. This video should be called Cough, 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 because that's all I'm doing. And I hear oinking on TV in there. My tablet did a backflip. Frick. Wait, it's only been... Yeah, I cleared my Mobizen file, so it shouldn't be that laggy, but stop. But it's still, oh my gosh, Sanchez, you hit a grand slam earlier. Yeah, that was Sanchez. Boach. Good job. Good job, Boach. Bang. No! And that was me. Yeah, that was me, Seth. Bang. No! Hang on, let me try something. With this. Does this do? Frick. Wait, what happened? What happened? What? Uh-oh. Oh, man. Ah, no. Okay, that. There it is. I thought it disappeared. I thought it disappeared for a second. Oh my gosh. I thought we, oh my gosh. Brian, you made it like halfway there. Now let me get ready for the cough of a lifetime. Yeah, that's the cough of your life. Yeah, that's gonna save your life right there. Actually, eradicate your life. Clark, I just realized the bird is playing at the baseball. It's a baseball floating high up in the trees. That's one that's as high as your knees. It's only the top of the 5th. If only the rest of this game could go fast. Oh my gosh. Don't get a double play with Brody. Oh, Manuel. Bang. Good job, Manuel. Manuel's actually pretty decent speed, figuring his body type. Wait, I thought we were losing. 7-2, but we were winning. I would have been like, oh boy, team, I'm like, since I autoplay fielding, one time I got destroyed so badly that I almost, that was with my last tablet, my last team, my last camera, and I had baseball star on the other one playing with the Tigers team. Yeah, the Tigers team. Yes! Hit that scoreboard! Good job. Oh, it was me. Oh, don't worry, Abel. I'm only beating you like 8-2 now. Yeah, I'm beating you 8-2. Don't worry, team. I hooked Seth up. I gave him this. Well, actually, my entire team is +3 power. I gave him earrings. I gave him a wristband, and he still does that. No. Brian. I don't trust Brian and Manuel to get a hit. Not too much. Hey, stop. I'm getting to the point where I can't talk. No. Man, are you freaking stupid? Come on. All day, come on. Oh, Brody hit a home run. Brody, you dominate. Nope, you don't dominate anymore. Kyle. No, Kyle freaking ill. Okay, here's Emmanuel. Yo, good job. Wait, did you see that in the stands? Like the stairs. Oh, now they're perfectly aligned. Nope, you're not. No. Oh my, you idiot. Sanchez! You didn't. Sanchez, are you freaking stupid? Yep, my team's freaking stupid. We go top of the 8th. Kaboom. No, it's not what we want, Boat. It's not what we want. That's not what we want, me. That's what we want. We want singles. Like, everyone on my team has decent power. Except for Seth. And his speed was pretty high. I hope I can say my outro, right? If you guys... I think I'm just going to end this video off here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a big fat like down below. And if you enjoy the content that I upload every day, can you understand me? then make sure to smash the subscribe button to pieces, and I'll see you guys in the next one. End.